Keep moving. That's fine. That's actually a little better. Shall we trot? It's working, trot. We'll be on solider ground pretty soon, buddy. I don't think that I don't know for sure that that's corn. That might be hay grazer. Oh, the amount I don't know about crops would fill books and books and books. What? There we go. Almost to the road, sweetie. Fine. You can walk through the weird stuff. Let's trot. Working trot. Good boy. And up here we have a nice yellow tarp to pass. Yes, that's strange, isn't it? That's a boy. Just stay on the road. This is one of those days I wish I was in a four-wheeled cart so I was up higher just because of the tail. But I much prefer being lower and more solid when I'm driving the youngsters. What is that doing out here in the middle of nowhere? Good boy. Neighbors all say they can tell where I've been driving because they can follow the wheel tracks. Well, at this point we're just into boring, so I'm going to stop the video for a while until we are doing something interesting. Have a great day, everybody. Please like, subscribe, share, leave comments, ask questions. All are appreciated. Have a great one.